na.
Alright, good afternoon, ma'am and sir. My name is Chef Joe and I will be your Japan chef. So before I start cooking, let me know if you have any food allergies. Meron po bang food allergies? Wala naman po. Repeat order na po kung mga lulutuin ko dito sa harapan natin. So you have Yasai 5, Usuyaki beef roll 6, Chahan 11, Sukiyaki ka 3, pork belly 3, chicken fillet 2, tofu with mushroom 3. And for dessert, we have banana plum baked egg. Yung po yung mga lulutuin ko dito. And before I start cooking, magpapaplambay lang po ako. This is the way of how we sanitize our Japan. So sa mga nasa harapan, medyo mainit ha. Backward mo, backward. Baka madali yung kilay mo.
Okay, ready? Balloon charger. 1, 2, 3, ready? Whoop. Oh! One more.
Ready?
Stop. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
3, 2, 1. Mahirap ba? Yung pa sa tipan niya, mga face niya, mga mamin sir. Kilay check.
Kaluluwa dapat.
Okay.